Hey, Dave Johnson, editor of eHow Tech, on the floor of the Consumer Electronics Show looking for cool technology that you can buy today, tomorrow, real soon now. And I have found something that's available right now that is kind of like a cross between a robotics kit and Legos and programming, all kind of mushed together into a really fun super stew. Boy, that's a really bad metaphor. Let's just switch over here and see what we got. How's it going?
Doing very well, thank you.
So tell us what we've got here. These are Cubelets, right?
They're Cubelets, yeah, for modular robotics. They're a robotic construction kit for kids. Basically, each one of these blocks has a little computer inside, and it does one thing. So they link together magnetically, really easy to just snap together. And when you link them together, you're building a team of robots that can do something better than any of the individual cubes. So a really simple robot might have a bar graph block and a distance sensor, and as my hand gets closer, the numbers that are flowing around the construction go up and down. We can switch that out for maybe a drive block, which has a little motor and some wheels on it. And a kid can take these things out of the box without any understanding of computers or programming or whatever, and build a robot that can run toward their hand, or if we flip it around, run away from your hand. Also, more complex things are possible. Here's basically two of those robots put together, and it has a steering behavior, but we didn't program that steering behavior in. It's just a result of how the cubes were put together.
So basically, there's no, unlike something like a Lego Mindstorm kit where you have to actually program on a computer screen, the programming is essentially the way you put the blocks together, right?
Exactly. You could think of it as kind of a physical programming language. And the beauty of that is it allows kids to just jump in and start experimenting and discover the robot's capabilities for themselves without being bogged down with knowing how to use distance sensors, how all the wiring works, all that stuff. Just throw them together. How's this work? How doesn't it work? If I change this, how does it change? Really a discovery type of learning. Is that right?
So how many different kinds of blocks are there?
There are 16 different Cubelets right now. We have new ones in the pipeline, and one of them is a block called a Bluetooth block. You can link to your computer, and you can reprogram any of them to have basically an unlimited number of Cubelets.
And how much does it cost to get involved with it?
Yep, so right now we sell a starter kit for $160, that's 6 blocks, and then all of the other cubes are available individually for between 25 and 30 depending on the type of cube.
Okay, so Dave Johnson on the floor of CES looking at the future of programmable robots.